Good morning from the Central Illinois Weather Network. I'm Larry Eastep. About 15 minutes after 1 o'clock on this Wednesday morning. Bring you up to date here on the severe weather situation. Let's go straight to Storm Lab and we'll fill in the blanks here. Update on the tornado warning now for Peoria, southeastern Knox, and northeastern Fulton counties. It's in effect until 1:45. Currently, the severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Elmwood, or 16 miles west of Peoria, moving northeast at 35. Persons still in the path of this tornado, possible tornado: Brimfield, Elmore, Laura, Princeville, Dunlap, Kickapoo, Monica, and Alta. And that is, again, this cell here. We're still seeing a TVS signature with this. We've had 70-mile-an-hour winds reported with this line also. The latest pathcast on this would put this in South Pekin by 128, Green Valley by 134, Delavan by 141, Hopedale by 143, Emden by 148, Hartsburg by 153. Now, we're also going to show you here, we're looking at this on the velocity mode, and the strongest right now velocity would be just to the west of Pekin, stretching up to just to the west of Peoria, and then continuing on up right along I-74 right now, just to the north of Elmwood. Again, this area in here would be what we're looking at for the potential for this tornadic cell. But we're also watching to the south here, again, where we're seeing this TVS signature, the line stretching all the way down from Norwood through Bartonville, Pekin, just to the west of South Pekin, and just to the west between Manitou, east of Manitou and west of Green Valley right now. A very prominent switch in direction of winds there, which tells us we've got inbound winds here coming into the radar in Lincoln at 80 knots, outbound at 82 knots, so we've got very strong winds, and we're going to pull out here because I want to show you this stretches almost to Mason City now, so anywhere along this line we could see the potential for tornadic development. I would not be surprised at all to see Tazewell County, possibly the northern portion of Mason County, put under a tornado warning if these signatures continue to hold true. Now, let's go back out to the big picture quickly here because I want to go through these warnings. Severe thunderstorm warning now for southern Cass, southwestern Menard, Morgan, western Sangamon, and Scott counties, all until 2:15 this morning. Quarter-sized tail winds in excess of 60, possible with that line moving east at 45. Also, western DeWitt, Logan, Marshall, eastern Mason, eastern Menard, eastern Peoria, eastern Stark, Tazewell, and Woodford counties until 2:15 this morning. That line is moving to the east at 30 miles an hour. We had a thunderstorm wind gust of 70 reported in Peoria County, 3 miles to the south of Trivoli at 1:03, so about 15 minutes ago. Thunderstorm wind damage in Mount Sterling and Brown County, trees and power lines down there. Anywhere along this line, you can expect destructive winds, widespread wind damage possible, also the potential for large hail, and again, this tornado warning in effect until 1:45 this morning. This tornado warning for Fulton, Knox, and Peoria County, storm movement with that to the east at 35 miles an hour. That's the latest on the tornado warning and severe weather moving into central Illinois. Pretty much most of the counties along this line now under some type of warning, potential for tornadoes, large hail, and destructive, damaging winds along the edge of this line as it moves through. I'm Larry Eastep from the Central Illinois Weather Network.